So hey everyone, I am here again with another hair review. Today I am going to show you guys how I install this wig. And just so you know guys, this is the first, well I would say the second time I've ever tried to install a lace front. If you're looking for hair that is extremely affordable and cute at the same time, I would suggest you stay tuned for this review. And at the end of this hair install, I am going to give you guys my thoughts, my opinions on this hair, okay? So please stay tuned for that. This was the first time I was actually seeing how this hair looked. I was pretty excited because the wig didn't cost much, and plus it was synthetic. It didn't look like how synthetic hair usually looks. So when I saw the reviews for this hair, it played a huge role in me purchasing this wig. The reviews were great. A lot of people like their parents for the hair. I would say basically this hair is big head friendly. It has 3 clips on the inside, and then it also has a strap, so you can make sure that the wig is properly secured on your head. Then in this clip, I go in with some makeup. I use a makeup brush and my foundation, and I applied it to the lace. So the reason why I'm doing this is to make sure that the wigs look even more natural on my head, okay? So if you have your own foundation, you want to just apply some around the lace part so that the wig would look much more natural on your head. So you want to properly adjust this wig around your hairline. What I liked about this wig was it was pre-plucked, and it also has baby hairs if you want baby hairs around the front of your wig. Okay, it has 130% density, and what I noticed automatically was that it was very full and thick, but even though it was full and thick, it didn't feel heavy. So persons may look at it and say, hey, this looks like a lot of hair because it looks so full, but it actually feels very light on my head. So far the hair is coming together. I'm loving it. So next I make sure that the middle part of this wig is in the center, and then I'm doing some more adjusting to the hair. Then I go in with my scissors and cut off the lace. And then next, I do more adjusting to the hair. Then I go in with my got-to-be glue, and I basically sprayed some at the front of the hair to make sure I lay down the lace. Okay? And then I get my stockings, and I leave the stockings on for about 5 minutes so that the lace will lay flat. And then I did some fixing to the front of the hair. This is the end result of installing this wig. Look at how beautiful this hair is. Just so you know, if you're interested in this wig, the information will be down in the description box. But in the next clip, I am going to share my personal views on this hair, so stay tuned. Now guys, when I first took this hair out of the package, I thought that it was like so beautiful. Like when it comes to the waves of this hair, I am just feeling it on so many levels. I like the fact that the waves are so defined. For a synthetic wig, this is extremely beautiful. This exceeds my expectations. I have to say that. This hair was constructed to perfection. You know, you see me here playing up with the curls. Oh, look at that. Look at the way in which the curls lay. I feel as if this was a steal of a deal. And so what I really liked about this hair is that the length. I really like how long it is. This is about 28 inches in length. And I got this particular hair in brown, in 1B. And so I find that the texture of this hair is extremely soft, like it's really soft. Listen girl, you could wear this hair for so many occasions. You could wear this hair if you go into work, if you go into do errands, if you have date night with your boo, you can wear this wig for so many occasions. Like it is just a really nice wig. And so I would give this hair 10 out of 10. 110 out of 10. You understand? That's how good this hair is. And I would definitely purchase this hair again because it's just so beautiful and I just like how it looks. I would definitely put this hair in my top 3, but you know guys, if you're interested in this hair, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Okay, I got you. So thank you so much guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Bye.